Hello, my name is Jeff Martin. I'm a product specialist here at Shaler Acura of Manchester, Connecticut. A common question that we get from a lot of our customers is, how do you turn on the dome lights in one of our vehicles? Fortunately, it's the same in all of our vehicles. So I'm sitting here in my favorite car we have right now. It's a black 23 TLX Type S with a red interior, and I'm going to show you how to operate your dome lights. First and last step is there's a set of buttons right here next to the moonroof controls and the sunglasses holder. The on button turns them on. The off button obviously turns them off. If you hit the door button in the middle and have that little green light, they will turn on when you open up the car. And there's an adjustable delay you can set to different time intervals before they'll turn off. But if you want them to just be off when you to open up the car, you just hit the off button and they will stay off. As I mentioned before, you can adjust the time intervals before the interior lights turn off if you have the door setting indicated on there. So what you do to adjust those time intervals is, this is the home screen, you're going to swipe to the left to go right, go down to settings, go down to vehicle, swipe up to go down to get to lighting setup, and then you go to interior light dimming time. And you can set it to 60 seconds. It comes from the factory set to 30 seconds, or you can turn it down to 15 seconds. And that is all.